Hello and welcome to Android MasterClass by Architect a Startup Solution. This is the third part of the notification tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be seeing how to add a notification action button. Sometimes a notification requires interactions from the users. For example, the user might snooze an alarm or reply to a text message. When these type of notifications occur, the user might tap the notification to respond to the event. Android then loads the relevant activity in your app. So to avoid opening your app, the notification framework lets you embed a notification action button directly in the notification itself. An action button needs the component, let's say an icon, a label string, and a pending intent. The icon that is to be placed in the notification, a label string that is to be placed next to the icon, and a pending intent to be sent when the user taps the notification action. So in this tutorial, you add an action button to your notification. The action button lets the user update the notification from within the notification without actually opening the app. This update notification action works whether your app is running in the foreground or the background. So in order to implement a broadcast receiver that calls the update notification. So in this tutorial, you implement a broadcast receiver that calls the update notification method when the user taps an update notification action button inside the notification. So here in the main activity.java, add a subclass of the broadcast receiver as the inner class. Okay. So here I'll say public class, let's say notification receiver, which basically extends the broadcast receiver. And then inside this class, I need to say the public notification receiver, and then we need to override the method that is, let's say, public void on receive, and inside that we need to pass the context. I'll say context, and then we need to pass the intent, let's say intent. Okay, so basically inside this we need to add the update in order to update the notification. So in the onReceive method of the notification receiver, call the update notification. Okay, I'll say here update notification. So in the main activity.java, we need to create a unique constant member variable to represent the update notification action for your broadcast, and make sure to prefix the variable value with your app's package name to ensure its uniqueness. So at the starting, what I need to do is to say here private static final string, and let's say I'll name it as action underscore update notification. Okay, and let's say it is equal to com dot example dot android dot notify me dot action update notification. Okay, then semicolon. So in the main activity.java, create a member variable for your receiver and initialize it using the default constructor. Okay, so after this I'll say here private, let's say notification receiver, and I'll name it as receiver, is equal to new notification receiver. So to receive the action update notification intent, register your broadcast receiver in the onCreate method. So inside the onCreate method, we need to register it. So here, what I will say is, let's say register the receiver. So here is the register receiver, and inside that I'll pass the M receiver, comma, new intent filter, and inside that I'll pass the action update notification. So to unregister your receiver, you need to override the onDestroy method of your activity. Okay. So here I'll say protected void, let's say destroy, basically I need to pass here the on destroy, right? And then inside that, what I need to do is to say the unregistered receiver that is this, and then we need to pass here the M receiver, and then I need to say the super dot on destroy. I need to pass here the semicolon. So it may seem as if the broadcast sent by the notification only concerns your app and should be delivered with the local broadcast manager. However, using a pending intent delegates the responsibility of the delivering the notification to the Android framework, because the Android runtime handles the broadcast and you cannot use the local broadcast manager. After that, you need to create an icon for the update action. So to create an icon for the update action, what you need to do is to go to the file and then click on new and then go to the image asset. Then in the icon type of the drop down list, select the action bar and the tab icon. That is this. Then click the clip art icon over here and you just select the update icon. Okay. So I'll search here the update icon. So this, and then we need to click on OK. And in the name field, the name the icon to, let's say, IC update. Okay. And then we need to click on next and then just click on finish. So starting from the Android 7 icons are not displayed in the notification. Instead, more room is provided for the label themselves. However, the notification action icons are still required and they continue to be used on older versions of Android and on devices such as Android Wear. Now, we need to add the update action to the notification. So here in the main activity.java, inside the send notification method, we need to go, here is the send notification method. And what we need to do here is to that at the beginning of the method, we need to create an intent using the custom update action. Okay. So here, what I will say is, let's say intent is equal to new intent. And then I need to pass here the action. Let's say action underscore update underscore notification. Then what we need to do is to use a get broadcast to get a pending intent and make sure that this pending intent is sent and used only once. That is, set the flag one shot. Okay. So here I'll say the pending intent. Let's say I'll name it as update pending intent. And after that, I'll say here the pending intent dot get broadcast. So I'll pass here the context, that is this, comma, notification ID, and then I'll say here the intent, and then let's say pending intent dot flag one shot. Okay, now use the add action method to add an action to the notification compare.builder object after the notify builder definition, and pass in the icon, the label text, and the pending intent inside that. So I'll say here notify builder dot add action, and inside that I need to pass the r dot id r dot drawable dot ic update, and let's say I need to say here the text that I need to say as the title. So let's say update the notification. After that I need to pass the update pending intent. So after all this, you need to run your app and tap the notify me button and then press the home button. After that, open the notification and tap on the update notification button, and the notification is finally updated. So the user can now update the notification without opening the app. So thank you.